Well, good morning to Fugatti cars. It's just about 20 past 7 in the morning. As you can see, looking at my neighbour's car, it's pretty bloody cold here this morning. It's -6. So we're going to see if Yieldy Merc can do a cold start on about 80% veg oil. So let's see. Oh, move that out of the way. Sit in. Oh, it is not warm. There we go. Couple of heats the glow plugs, I think. Maybe some throttle and see if she'll fire. So that's one cycle. And the second cycle. Keep a bit of revs on so she doesn't stall. That went quite well. Right, let's see if she'll idle now. There we go. Fantastic. Gotta love it. Until the next time when it's even colder. Bye.